Namaste, Shree Namaha. Welcome to the Monday book reading educational series where we read from a book and educate ourselves. So, today's book that we are going to be reading from is the self care book that I have written because I really want to emphasize as a doctor, as a sadhak, to all of you that taking care of yourself, honoring yourself, loving yourself is the cornerstone of everything that you will undertake in your life. So, if you do not give importance to that, then there will be times where you will find yourself sabotaged by the stresses of your life, and it will be impossible mentally, emotionally, and physically to rise to the occasion. So, undertaking daily self-care practices is an investment into your own well-being. And here I am sharing from my book. So we have done 3 readings of this book so far, where this book on self-care, we read about the self-care basics, about why is self-care important. You can refer to the earlier videos of this book reading series to go back to starting from where I did start. And then we read about why is self-care not selfish, and then we spoke about the various aspects of self care. So, today we will be talking about the physical self care basics, and we will be discussing and completing the nutrition part of that section. So, physical self care is taking care of our bodily vessel, and nutrition or our food forms an important element of that, taking care of our bodies. So, I'm reading from here. A well balanced diet is the cornerstone of physical self care. Consuming a variety of nutrient rich foods provides the body with the energy and resources it needs to function optimally. Adequate hydration is also crucial for overall health. Healthy nutrition is a cornerstone of overall well being, providing the body with essential nutrients needed for proper function and maintenance. Here are some bases of a healthy nutrition. So we'll take up different points here. The first point is a balanced diet. Macronutrients and micronutrients both should be a part of your diet. These macronutrients include a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in your diet. They provide energy and support various bodily functions. And the micronutrients ensure an adequate intake of vitamins and minerals, which play crucial roles in maintaining health and preventing deficiencies of all kinds. The second aspect of nutrition is the whole foods. So, focus on consuming whole, minimally processed foods. This includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Minimize the intake of processed foods, which often contain added sugars, unhealthy fats, and preservatives. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates, listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and avoid eating large portions late at night. Hydration. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day is very vital. Water is essential for digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall cellular functions. So, limit the intake of sugary beverages and excessive caffeine. Having a colorful plate. Aim for a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Different colors often indicate different nutrients, so a diverse range supports an overall health. Include a mix of vegetables such as leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and brightly colored options. Lean proteins. Choose lean protein sources such as poultry, fish, beans, legumes, tofu, and low fat dairy products. Vary protein sources to ensure a complete amino acid profile. Healthy fats. Include sources of healthy fats in your diet, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Limit saturated and trans fats found in fried foods, processed snacks, and certain animal products. Have fiber rich foods. Incorporate fiber-rich foods, including whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Fiber aids in digestion, helps in maintaining a healthy weight, and supports heart health. Limit added sugars and salt. Reduce the intake of foods and beverages high in added sugars. Check labels for hidden sugars in processed foods. Moderate salt intake supports heart health. Meal planning. Plan meals to ensure a balanced and nutritious diet. Include a mix of food groups in each meal to provide a range of nutrients. Mindful eating. Practice mindful eating by paying attention to hunger and fullness cues. Avoid distractions such as screens while eating to focus on the sensory experience of your meals. Individualized nutrition. Consider individual factors such as age, gender, activity level, and any specific health conditions when determining nutritional needs. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice. Adopting these healthy nutrition basics can contribute to improved energy levels, better overall health, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Remember that small sustainable changes over time often lead to more lasting benefits. So that was about the discussion on the importance of nutrition in the physical sector of our self-care. Thank you very much.